Everybody, Siko Automobile here. So today I'll be showing you guys how to use the lishi Hu100 to unlock and decode this door lock from a Chevy Cruze. So first things first, we're gonna insert our lishi. That in. The next thing we're gonna do is to open this guy. Once we open it, we apply a little bit of pressure. So we're gonna start picking these wafers. So first things first, we start checking the ones that are stiff. Then we're gonna pick them. That one not ready. Pick, pick. We do it again. Pick. See, stiff. Two. Now we go up. Now one. So that's it. That's how you pick, you know, your lock. Now the next thing we're gonna do is to um I'm gonna show you guys how to read the wafers. Yeah, so what we're gonna do now is to read the wafers as we already unlocked the door. So number one is number two. I already wrote it down. Number two is three. Number three is four. Number four is two. So we go to number five. Number five is four. Number six is four. Number seven is four. And number eight is two. Yeah, so the next thing we're gonna do now is to make a cut. You know, I already made a cut on one side, so we're gonna make another cut using those numbers. So we're gonna go now. So we're gonna go cut by 10. We go all the way, select 100. So anyone, so it says B second alignment. So we're gonna align this guy on the second. Okay, we tighten it, put it there, say okay. Now we're gonna input these numbers. So right here we're gonna be 2 3 4 2 4 4 2. No, sorry, I think we made a mistake, so we're gonna do it again. We start again. 2 2, sorry, 2 2 4 2 4 4 4 2. Yeah, so now we're gonna say cut key. Let's say cut. Okay. Yeah, so the new key is cut. So right now, as you can see, so the next thing is to try it. See that? So that's how you do it. You pick the lock, you decode, you pick, and you cut. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.